Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video I'm going to show you how to make it so you can control the volume of your music player app. So in my backdrops in the stage, under the code, I've got a reset function that sets the volume to 100%. So that way if I change the volume, it doesn't stay really quiet or really loud next time I start my project. So when I press play, I've got simple code here that when I press the up arrow, it makes it get louder by changing volume by 10. And when I press down arrow, it makes it get softer by changing by -10. So I'm pressing down, pressing up, so you can hear it get softer and louder depending on which one that I'm pressing. Now there's some other things that you can allow the user's control with the keyboard by using code like this. For instance, you can make it so that it changes the pitch. So maybe instead of just changing the volume of it, you could change the pitch effect by 10 and -10. So now let's listen to it. Reset. So press up and down to make it change pitch. Or maybe I want to change pan. Yeah, funky. By left and right, so that way you can only hear it in one ear, like over on the right side or over on the left side. I kind of like it slow. Yeah, it's funkier. Anyways, so that's how you can simply change the pitch, the panning, as well as the volume using some different arrow keys and other user keys on the keyboard. Oh, and just a friendly reminder, anything that you change in here, you want to reset in your reset. So if you're going to change the volume, make sure you set the volume to 100%. If you're going to change the panning, make sure you set the panning or the pitch to the correct amount at the very beginning. So 100 for all of them. That'll reset it right into the middle if it's panning, or reset it to the correct pitch or speed if you change the pitch. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.